Hey folks, this is Sam with KC Lawns. Today we're going to be replacing the string on an Ego Power Plus. To get this old string out of there, we need to pop off this. We're pushing in these sides here. Do not lose these springs. These springs are notorious for being lost. If you lose the spring, it's just going to continue to feed the string. Take out the old trimmer string. Not a fan of it. It's too thin. There are better things out there, and we have them right here. So I've been using this string for the past probably 10 years of trimming lawns. This is the best string. And for this one specifically, I think that we can get away with 1, 2, and 3 pulls. Then you gotta get one of these right here. This is very important. You can pick it up online for like 50 cents. If I can find one on Amazon, I'll put it in the link description below. You take it and then you're gonna bend this like so, and you're going to pop that in, boom. That easy. You take that and then you can put it to the side. This is going to line up with that hole right there. Make sure that the spring goes in the middle. Pop her on. Then you're gonna take this string, you're going to put that tip inside the hole. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to almost want to, you don't want it to curve to the left or to the right because you need it to go to the center. So you're going to try to go in, okay? To the other side, and so out pops the other side. It's kind of like a tapeworm, you know? And that tapeworm just, you never had a tapeworm? So when you do get it through, is that the best thing I found is that you're going to take it and you're gonna do one of these right here. You get in between your tootsies and you hold it there, and then basically what you're trying to do is find the even point, right? There you go, look at that. So then once you get it equal like that, all you have to do is twist. You're gonna hold this right here, this part right here, with your thumb here. Don't push in there, you don't need to take that off or anything. Put your thumb here and a finger right there, and you're twisting. All right, this one is only about 7 inches, and then this one is
like 3 feet.
It's like 3 feet right there. All you're gonna do is just get more string, and then it will cut this to be equal with that one. That's not a big deal. There you go. That's how you make them even. And then if you have any other questions regarding this specific trimmer, please put them in the comments below. I will address them.
You need to really snap it in there. It's right off. Yeah. Called that.
I know what I'm doing here, folks.
There you go.
There it is.